You are watching ARP Agri-Artist, present by Agriculturist Maksudahak. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will explore 30 amazing indoor plants that you can grow easily in water. Yes, you don't always need soil. Just clean water, a glass jar, or a vase is enough. These plants are easy to care for, require very little maintenance, and they will make your home fresh, green, and stylish. Let's discover these wonderful water-growing plants one by one. Number 1. Pothos money plant, Epipremnum aureum. Number 2. Lucky Bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana. Three, spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. 4. Philodendron heterachum. Number 6. Coleus scutellarioides. 6. English ivy, Hedera helix. 7. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallisi. 8. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema spp. 9. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum. 10. Wandering Jew, inch plant, Tradescantia zebrina. 11. Sweet potato vine, Ipomoea batatas. 12. Basil, Ocimum basilicum. 13. Mint, Mentha spp. 14. Rosemary, Salvia rosmarinus. 15. Oregano, Origanum vulgare. 16. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. 17. Begonia, Begonia spp. 18. Fiddle leaf fig, cuttings, Ficus lyrata. 19. ZZ plant, cuttings, Zamioculcas zamifolia. 20. Snake plant, cuttings, Sansevieria trifasciata. 21. Monstera, Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa. 22. Dieffenbachia, dumb cane, Dieffenbachia seguin. 23. Caladium, angel wings, Caladium bicolor. 24. Purple heart plant, Tradescantia pallida. 25. Song of India, Dracaena reflexa. 26. Papyrus plant, Cyperus papyrus. 27. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. 28. Stevia, sweet leaf plant, Stevia rebaudiana. Number 29. Aluminum plant, Pilea cadere. 30. Baby's tears, Solerolia soleroli. 'So, these were 30 beautiful indoor plants that grow perfectly in water. From vines and foliage plants to herbs and even vegetables, all of them can add beauty and freshness to your home. Growing plants in water is simple, clean, and creative. You just need to change the water regularly and place them in the right light. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ARP Agri Artist for more gardening tips and plant videos. See you again in the next video.